was that for that. And that supposedly had 2 bars on it.
What happened?
Put the chain on back.
Wait, what did you do?
I put the chain on backwards, so it's not going to cut until I turn it around.
Dumbass.
That may have been all the gas that was in it. Yeah, that was all the gas that was in it.
What are you trying to do there?
Well, I was trying to use this as a wedge to drive it in the crack to open it up. But, babe, don't film this. This isn't even close to sharp. And I don't have a way to swing at it here. Okay.
Well done.
I took care of that. It's a pretty rotted tree.
What are you thinking?
I'm thinking this is probably hollow down a long ways of it. So I'm thinking about, this ladder's really sturdy.
Yeah?
It's a higher quality ladder.
Yeah.
Like we have an idlewild, so it's not bouncing around.
Okay.
So I think I'm going to take this limb off this way and then see about dropping the other limb. So if I fail, I'm just dropping everything.
Okay.
I can cut it until it starts to move and then decide what to do. I think this will tip over. I think it's going to rotate as well. Well, you know, this one started moving.
Yeah.
I stopped the chainsaw, stopped moving.
Yeah.
I cut a little more, move a little more,
Yeah.
stop, you know, stop, it stopped moving.
Uh-huh.
And then I got it to a point where it's like, okay, it's going to go.
What are you thinking?
Worst case, because I'm up there with my weight leaning against the tree,
Yeah.
that the thing snaps off and the whole tree goes.
Oh.
But I don't think that's going to happen. To throw a chainsaw out of my way and try to jump on the ground, I should get this out of the way in case I need a landing spot in soft dirt, you know? I want to cut this way from the back.
I see.
So I'm worried about you freezing. If I yell, what direction are you going to go? You're going to go that way.
Well, no, I don't think I should stand here. I'm too nervous to stand here.
Okay.
I think I should stand on the other side. Here comes your dad. Should we go talk to him?
Sure. The center near the base was completely rotted out, so it was going to go. And this one is rotted out all the way up. This other one. So I can look in that knot hole there at the top of the ladder. It's a cylinder. So I'm going to go up there and cut that big part off and drop it, and then it'll be short enough to cut down without hitting the roof. But I'm telling Alex I'm prepared to drop the chainsaw and jump off the ladder if I have to.
I can hire somebody to do that.
But you haven't. So, all right, I'm gonna go up there and do this, and if it starts feeling sketchy, I'm quitting. But that ladder is rock solid.
It's a good ladder.
It is.
Okay, so I'll be over on this side.
Told you it's gonna roll.
Well done. Look at this.
Oh man, it's so crazy.
Okay, so this is to get that last limb up there. Do you want me to stop filming and then help you pull on the rope?
I think I'm gonna have to get up there with a chainsaw and cut it.
Really? Now you're gonna try with the rope?
Yeah. Maybe now's a better chance.
Yeah. Now you're gonna do the rope trick.
I'm gonna try again.
Next up, the rope trick.
Grumpy monkey on the end of a rubber band. Here we go.
Are you impressed with your son, Ted?
What?
Are you impressed with your son?
Yeah.
Does he remind you of yourself back in the day?
Yeah, I can truthfully say I've been there, done that.
And got away with it.